Hello mates, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to show you how you can increase virtual memory in your Windows laptop or computer. So follow my steps carefully. Go to File Explorer, then right-click on this PC and go to Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. In Performance tab, click on Settings. Go to Advanced section. Here you can see Virtual Memory section. Click on Settings. Now you can set virtual memory according to your RAM or set it to system managed size. After setting virtual memory, click on Set and you're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for this type of videos.